Hello everyone, it's Tana. Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to do a haul video today. I haven't done one in a long time, but stay tuned because at some point during this video I will talk about this month's giveaway. So I started off picking up two different types of craft cardstock from Amazon. They came from the Cardstock Warehouse. One's called Parcel Wrap and one's called Paper Bag, and you can't see much of a difference on film here, but they are two totally different colors. And then I had a small, not too shabby order. This, unfortunately, I didn't get to use this for Christmas, but the small one's called I Believe, and it says, when you stop believing in Santa, you get underwear. And then this cute little Happy New Year stamp set, and what I just had to have it when I saw first rule of 2021, never talk about 2020. And then this one I will definitely use next Christmas. I forgot what it's called, but you guys saw it up on the screen there, and I can't wait to use it. Next up, we have an order from the Inkblot Shop. I have only a few things to show you because the rest of that package is for the giveaway. So Tiffany was nice enough to stick a pen in there, and I ordered this cute little stamp set called Snow Kids, and it's got a little sentiment says warm wishes, and then the little girl and the little boy. And these two cute enamel pins were on sale, the little dragon and the scissors. Now, Riley told me that that's a dinosaur. I say it's a dragon. You guys let me know what you think. But you give away prizes in this beautiful metallic blue envelope here. Let me know down below what your New Year's resolution is, and if not, what your hopes are for 2021 if you don't do resolutions. And I will have infos about the giveaway deadline and all that in the description box below. So then I placed an order with MFT, and I picked up the Missing You Every Single Day stamp set, and it's got a few sentiments on here like 24/7, missing you every single day, from my head to my toes, so stinking much, and I just thought that was so cute. And then they sent me this Be Happy die. I'm pretty sure this was the free was $60, and I also bought the die set to go with Missing You Every Single Day. And then they also sent me this free stamp set, a gift for me. And it's, to let people know it's a handmade card. Handmade by Do Not Bend, Happy Mail, sealed with a hug, MFT stamps, hashtag MFT stamps, etc. Stuff like that. So I thought that was really cute and nice of them. And then I picked up two stencils, the cable knit sweater and micro cloud edges. I love my stencils. I just gotta have stencils. You should see the size of my stencil binder. And then I picked up the Movin' and Groovin' Slimline Dynamics. I can't wait to use this. It just looks a little daunting looking at all those parts, doesn't it? But once you use a die set once, it's easy after that. I picked up the Critter Caravan to go with the stamp set you see there, and they got milk to go with the Missing You Every Single Day. I wonder if the kids still get little tiny milk cartons at lunchtime. I don't know if they do or not. So I picked up the stamp set My Sweet Safari, not My Sweet Safari. It's got some cute sentiments here. I miss you so much, I'm barely surviving. Time spent with you is always a main event. These arms are made for hugging you. You make my heart flip. Your friendship always hits the spot. And I just love the palm trees on that stamp set. And then I picked up the Buffalo Plaid background stamp. That's a red rubber stamp. I love background stamps too. So then I placed an order with Scrapbookcom. I picked up this, I think that's 2-inch wide, double-sided adhesive. And I've been dying to try this alcohol-friendly cardstock, alcohol marker-friendly cardstock from Hefty Doodle. So I ordered a pack, and I love it. I just love it. I probably will use this every time I color now. It's a little on the thin side, but it's just, your markers blend like butter on that stuff. And I wanted to try their foam tape, so I picked up the 1/2-inch and 1/4-inch rolls. And it's not a bad price point. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I remember being impressed with the price. And it's double thickness, it's like height-wise, so it's perfect for like shaker cards. So this will definitely come in handy. And I love that they have 1/4 inch. No more cutting my 1/2 inch in half lengthwise. I also had to pick up a Black Soot Distress Oxide reinker. And I think this is the first reinker I've ever bought on my own that didn't come in a kit, but my Black Soot was getting dry. And moving on, I know we're going a little fast, but I had a lot to cover in this haul. So far, I've only tried Canson XL and Arches watercolor cardstock. So I wanted to try something else. And this was a not too expensive price point, and it's Stonehenge. And these ones, I don't know if they sell it a different way, but these are the watercolor block pads, where if you want to watercolor right on it, it'll keep your paper from warping, and then you separate it from the rest of the block when it's dry. So I picked up a pack in the hot press and cold press. I've never tried hot press before, but I wanted to try it and see what the difference was. So I'll probably do a video on that. And then I have, which I still have not used as of this voiceover, the January 2021 card kit for Simon Says Stamp. So you'll see everything that's included in the kit up there on the screen, but I'm going to read you some of the sentiments from the stamp set. Snow happy for you. There's no place like home. Snow glad we're friends. Love it frost sight. One of a kind. Snow much thanks. Hello friend. Snow much thanks in a little bit of a bigger font. Winter greetings. Missing you snow much. Now, I love that border snowflake one up at the top of the stamp set. And then also this embossing folder. Now, I have I forget what it's called, but it's got winter trees on it. And I love this embossing folder. So I thought it would be nice to pick up another one of their embossing folders. And that embossing folder is one of the reasons I purchased this kit. I'm in love with snowflakes in general. Snowflakes are probably about the only thing about the winter that I like, aside from Christmas happening to be in wintertime. And that one die, I'm sorry, the snowflake one that came in the envelope, that did not come in the kit, but I purchased it when I purchased the kit. And it seems like it goes with my prismatic snowflake stamp set, which is why I bought it. I haven't used it yet. And let me tell you, these whimsy papers, Blurry Flurries, I think it was called, these are gorgeous, guys. For as nice as they look on the camera, they look even better in person. It's going to kill me to cut into these cards or these papers because they're just lovely. And it's like a shiny cover, it looks like it's a protected paper, not a regular paper. It's got a very shiny, slick surface. And I just fell in love with it as soon as I took them out of the package. I mean, look at them. And there's so many different color combinations. And I just took the time to cut out both of those snowflake dies really quick so you could see what they looked like. And I don't know if I'll ever use it. I have a hard time when it comes to glitter. But that is some beautiful glitter for sure. Very sparkly and iridescent. And then I placed an order with Scrapbookpal.com because I needed some Copics. But I also picked up this iCraft low tack purple tape. It's like a new formula. It's definitely way less tacky than the original purple tape, and which won't rip your cardstock, which is a good thing. And I love these Pink Frost Studios rectangle slimline dies because you can use them as frames or you can use them as panels, which I thought was a nice touch to add to the set. And here we have markers. I got quite a bit. I think it was B00, RV04, G00, RV02. I didn't see the point in putting all the numbers on the screen because I was going to show them to you anyway. BV13, BG, I think that was 96, V95. I'm just adding to my Copic collection, G02. I think I'm up to I can't remember, 226 markers, I think. Very few refills, very few. I think I'm lucky if I have 10 refills, and that's including the colorless blender. but I love my Copics. I probably will never switch to a different type of marker. And then I placed another order with Not Too Shabby. This one was more recent, and my free gift was this little Scrapping for Less stamp set called Little Lady. It's got this cute little ladybug and says, "Every little thing will be all right. You are awesome." And then the Sunny Studios Eggs to Die For. I love this stamp set. I cannot wait for Easter so I can use it. And then you can also use the egg to make it into a chick or a bunny, and that's what the accompanying die is for. And then I picked up Quality Time from MFT, but in my Not Too Shabby order. You give the best hugs. I need some quality time with you. Sending hugs for your birthday. Thank you for showing your heart. And I love koala bears. I mean, my favorite animal or amphibian is a frog, tree frog, but koalas are right up there with cuteness, total cuteness. And I also picked up the Color Wave cover-up. I can't wait to use this. And when I purchased this stuff through Jamie with Not Too Shabby, I really wanted that Loopy Love die, but it was the free was $60, so I couldn't get it. So I ended up placing another order with MFT from the same release, so I could get the Loopy Love dynamic. So I picked up Love Lines, that die that you just saw, and I showed you the Loopy Love die, which I absolutely love. I picked up the Slimline Slide-In. Can't wait to use that. And then I also picked up Bitty Hugs and Kisses. So there's a lot on here. There's You Are My Heart, You're My Person, You Matter to Me, Sending You Love, Missing You Today, I Simply Adore You, Happy Anniversary, Miss You, You Are My Favorite, Always and Forever, You Are My Sunshine, Sending a Paper Hug, It's Simple, I Love You, Happy Valentine's Day, We're Better Together. There's the Basic Shapes and Circle Stencil. I didn't even get through all of the sentiments on that thing. Can you believe it? So while you're looking at my beautiful brand new Rabbit Hole Designs Cottontail brushes, 6 new ones to add to the ones I already have, which are right there. I'll read the rest of these. Happy Valentine's Day, We're Better Together, Sending Love Your Way, My Heart Belongs to You, Our Story is My Favorite, Will You Be My Valentine, I Love You More Each Day, You're My Favorite Person. Okay, there's still more to read, but I had to have this 3-set stencil from Pretty Pink Posh. It's called Layered Bokeh, and it even has on the bottom of the stencil the order in which you're supposed to layer them when you're using the stencil, which I thought is really cool. Don't forget to leave everything down below if you want to enter the giveaway, and be sure to like and comment. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you like what you saw here today, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye for now.